Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating project for anyone with a passion for music and crafting. The classical 39-inch peach coreback and side spruce Spanish folk guitar, full set of combination production materials, unfinished guitar body kit. This isn't just a guitar, it's an opportunity to build one from the ground up, tailored to one's own vision. The kit arrives as an unfinished body and a collection of parts, providing everything needed to assemble a full-size 39-inch classical or folk-style guitar. The description highlights that it's made from high-quality materials, emphasizing exquisite workmanship, durability, and safety in use. This suggests that while it's a DIY project, the components themselves are intended to be of a good standard, allowing for a potentially high-quality, finished instrument. One of the most appealing aspects is the unfinished nature of the body. This is where the true customization comes in. A builder has the freedom to choose their own finish, whether it's a natural wood look, a vibrant stain, or a painted design. This allows the finished guitar to be truly unique and a reflection of the builder's personal style. The kit is described as having a spruce top, which is a classic choice for acoustic guitars known for its resonant qualities. The back material is listed as mahogany or okame wood, and the neck is okame with a rosewood fretboard. These are all common tone woods used in guitar construction, contributing to the instrument's potential sound. The kit is presented as a practical choice for guitar lovers, offering a hands-on experience in understanding the construction of the instrument. While the description mentions replacing electric guitar parts, this kit is clearly designed for building an acoustic Spanish folk guitar, making it a suitable project for those interested in that specific type of instrument. The portability aspect likely refers to the finished product being a standard, easy-to-handle 39-inch guitar. Essentially, this kit provides the foundation, a well-crafted, unfinished body, and the necessary components for someone to embark on the rewarding journey of building their own guitar. It requires time, patience, and skill to assemble and finish, but the result is a personalized instrument with a story behind it. It's a project that combines woodworking, finishing, and lutherie skills, culminating in a playable guitar. For anyone looking for a deep dive into guitar construction or wanting a truly custom instrument, this unfinished kit offers an intriguing possibility.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.